Hello everyone, this is Ahmed and today I want to show you how to learn Adobe InDesign basics within 5 minutes. So let's dive into the Adobe InDesign. Just open the Adobe InDesign and create new file, click the new file and here has default preset like print, web and mobile. I would like to create a document for print document and here is the size as well. I would like to create a document that is A4 and here we have units like millimeters, inches, centimeters. We may select whatever we are want. I would like to prefer inches and here is the option for pages. I would like to include this document over 10 pages, so place the 10 and here is the column section. I would like to create this document within 2 columns and I can add the margins as well. I would like to add the margins for 0.26 to 5 inches and we can add the bleed as well. I would like to add the bleed that is 1 to 5. Okay, now create, simply hit the create button and here is the layout and here is the tool section that we can create the document using these tools. And as the right side add control panel, this will change under our requirement. And in the top section here is our, okay, here is the document. I would like to place a text. For type the text from the tool menu, I would like to select text tool and simply drag the text tool over the layout and we can now start typing like reading. And okay, this is our text and we can change this text based on our requirement. From here I can change the text and I can resize here like this as well based on my needs. And this is the heading and I can also add the placeholder text just like the same way. If we don't have any text from our client, then if we want to create the simple template, we can use our default text, preset text, and I can sense the text as well like this way. And also here is the pages section and layers section that is very important. From the pages section, here is our master page and we can add anything on our master page that will affect on those pages. Just click and drop here, the master page will affect it. And we can add multiple master pages. Just click here and new master page like the new parent like this way. And here this is images. We have to select rectangle frame tool from the tool menu like this way. And within in this frame, if we want to place the image like this, we can simply select our images. We can change images orientation like this. Already learned the basic and you can start working with Adobe InDesign. So forget this type of lovely tutorial, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.